KTM has pulled the covers off the new 990 RCR Track, a stripped-back, circuit-focused evolution of its road-going supersport sibling. Designed exclusively for track use, the RCR Track sheds all road equipment, including lights, mirrors, and the side stand. A simplified electrical system trims a further 2 kilograms, contributing to a claimed wet weight of just 181 kilograms. The result is a sharper, leaner machine built purely for lap times. Performance sees a healthy boost too. At the heart of the bike sits KTM's 947cc LC8C parallel twin engine, now producing a claimed 133 brake horsepower and 105 Newton-meters of torque. Part of that gain comes courtesy of a lightweight Akrapovic exhaust system, which keeps sound output within a track-friendly 98.2 decibel limit while enhancing performance. Revised gearbox ratios further optimize the bike for circuit work, with a longer first gear and shorter sixth for improved drive and stronger acceleration where it counts. Electronics have been tailored specifically for track riders. A pit lane limiter is included as standard, alongside 3 fully customizable ride modes. Riders can independently fine-tune throttle response, traction control, slip regulation, anti-wheelie intervention, launch control, and engine braking to suit conditions and riding style. KTM's Quick Shifter Plus system also comes fitted as standard, enabling seamless clutchless up and down shifts. Chassis specification is equally focused. Fully adjustable WP Apex suspension handles damping duties, while braking is taken care of by Brembo high-pure calipers biting on 320mm front discs. The bike rolls on Michelin Power Slick tires, 120/70 at the front and 190/55 at the rear, delivering maximum grip for dry track conditions. A front brake lever guard, wet weather taillight, and paddock stand are all included as standard equipment. Visually, the RCR Track embraces its purpose-built character. Its injected plastic fairings are largely unpainted, ready for custom decals and race numbers, and are paired with a taller screen for improved wind protection at high speed. With a seat height of 857mm and a specification aimed squarely at serious track riders, the 990 RCR Track is KTM's most focused middleweight supersport yet.